Okay, physical science. This is our daily video message, and this would be day 3, and it's going to be Tuesday, April the 7th. Good morning. Let's just go through to see what I have for you to do today. Always a reminder that you want to take attendance by signing in. Some of you are doing really a good job. Some of you still need to sign in on the OneNote page for that date. So that I can verify that you've been here. So keep that up, and if you haven't done it, you need to start doing it. Again, work that you should be doing for this is the same, but today we're going to talk about how to do the blank periodic table assignment, finish it. So I'm going to be giving some notes today on with a Zoom, and that'll happen at 8 o'clock today. So be looking in your email for the Zoom link so that we can go through and do the notes. You will need some paper to write on because I am going to have you verify that you've taken notes by writing on them and photographing. So just an FYI on that. Just a quick reminder that if you're trying to take a PFA, the procedure that you have to do is you have to pass the diagnostic test. You have to check out some of the resources that are found on that PFA, and then you will send me a remind. Don't just select the PFA and wait for me to approve it. If you don't send me a remind so that I can check to see if you've taken the diagnostic and the resources have been checked, I won't do anything. I'll just delete it later on when that comes about. So make sure that you are following this correct procedure for doing that. So today we're going to be doing a Zoom, and that's going to take place at 8 o'clock. So I'll be sending the link in your email for you to join the Zoom. Some of you probably have already done that. We're going to be looking at how you're going to finish up the periodic table, the color-coded ones. So if you want to get an early jump, if you go to the blank periodic table page in your OneNote, you can print out 2 copies. You're probably going to need 2 because your first copy you have is probably in your notebook at school. And I'm going to need 2 of them. And then I will be doing a live presentation about the notes that we're going to do on the different families in the periodic table and how you're going to finish this color-coded assignment. So again, I will send out that email with the link. It'll be at 8 o'clock, and then when the majority of people are there, we'll do the lecture and talk about how you're going to complete the assignment, and then you can get busy on it. If you miss this lecture, I'll have it posted on your OneNote page, as well as I'll also post it on the school website where this daily video is found. So once again, you're going to need to have 2 copies of this blank periodic table. So you'll find that page in your OneNote where it says assignment blank periodic table. You need to open the PDF, okay, and print out 2. If you don't have a printer, unfortunately, you're going to have to draw out this blank periodic table. So hopefully you have some blank paper and a ruler so you can draw out the blank table so that you will be able to use it. That's the only thing I can say to do. And then when we're finished, you'll have 2 tables. This one we did in class, but unfortunately we weren't there the last day, so you could get your folder where this is probably at. So I'm going to have you redo it. And then the new one will be this one where we're going to do families and groups, and I'll go through more details of what I expect to see on here later, and the color codes and characteristics of these different families that I'm going to talk about. So that'll happen at 8 o'clock. Okay, you can look at the notes, they're in your OneNote, but I'll be doing an actual talk formal using Zoom to go through the PowerPoint and then recording it and putting it up online. Okay, so that's what we need to be looking at. 8 o'clock, check your email. There'll be the link to the Zoom that you'll go to. Okay, thank you.